In this video, you'll learn how to run payroll in QuickBooks Online in just a few minutes so you can pay your employees accurately and stay compliant with tax laws. First, open your browser and go to quickbooks.intuit.com. Sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you have the payroll add-on activated, since this feature is required to run payroll directly in QuickBooks. Next, click on Payroll in the left sidebar of your dashboard. If it's your first time, complete the payroll setup by adding your company details, employees, tax information, and bank account information for direct deposits. Now, click Run Payroll at the top of the payroll page. QuickBooks will automatically display the current pay period and a list of all employees, ready for you to review their hours, salaries, and any extras. After that, review each employee's payment details. Add any overtime, bonuses, commissions, or deductions if needed. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the correct taxes, benefits, and other contributions based on the information in their profiles. Once everything is verified, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks will process the payments, deposit funds into your employees' bank accounts, and file the appropriate federal and state taxes on your behalf without any extra work. And that's it. Your payroll is now successfully run in QuickBooks Online and your team is paid right.